Hey kids, let's learn colors. Bright yellow, just like the shining sun. Let's make rainbow teeth, starting with bright yellow. Bold red, like a juicy apple. Our rainbow teeth are getting colorful. Blue, like a bluefish. Let's make these rainbow teeth even more colorful. Purple, like juicy grapes. Now, let's add the purple. Vibrant orange, like a juicy orange fruit. Look at those colorful rainbow teeth. Fresh green, like a juicy watermelon. Our rainbow teeth are looking even more delicious. Deep blue, like a refreshing blueberry juice. Our rainbow teeth are complete. Look at those amazing rainbow teeth. So colorful and bright. We made the perfect smile.